But for now, though, we want to cross over to the Milimani Law Courts. Like I promised, we're waiting to hear the sentencing of 3 government officials, including the CS for Interior, Fred Matiang'i, Joseph Boinnet, and, of course, Gordon Kihalangwa. I understand that the session is already beginning right now. Let's just cross over there and listen in.
So I'll just read the last part of this judgment. The judgment is typed, and then you'll be able to get copies of this same. So I've taken into account the foregoing as well as the submissions filed therein. In this case, it is clear that the genesis of the applicant's grievances was the decision made by the letter dated 21st of February 2017, by which the respondent nullified the proceedings of the AGM held on the 22nd of January 2017 and directed a special general meeting to be held. In these proceedings, there is no order seeking to nullify the decision made on the 21st of February 2017. The Court of Appeal set out grounds upon which judicial review release of certiorari, a prohibition on money bails may be granted in Kenya National Examination Council versus Republic ex parte Gadenji, and I have reproduced what the court said in that particular matter. It is therefore my view, and I hold, that without seeking to quash the respondent decision made by the letter dated 21st of February 2017, by which the respondent nullified the proceedings of the AGM held on the 22nd of January 2017 and directed that a special general meeting be held, it is not efficacious to grant the order sought herein. To my mind, the proceedings that took place subsequently cannot be successfully challenged on the ground of failure to adhere to the process due to the conflict in the factual averments that would have to be resolved before a decision either way is made. In the premises this application fails, the same is dismissed with cause to the respondent, and it is so ordered. Let's do the mission.
There are 3 minutes to continue. My Lord, in that matter, Amomolo, I'm appearing with my colleague, Mr. Diambo, for the applicant. Before his application dated 27th of it's ex parte.
Hearing for the respondent.
It's ex parte, my Lord.
What I came before me yesterday.
Yes.
I certify the application agent and direct that it be heard during vacation. Let the same be served for further orders on 29th of March 2018 at 10 a.m.
Much obliged.
That's what I said.
The instructions I got were that you indicated that I appear before you today at 10 a.m.
Ex parte.
Ex parte, yes.
I said that you serve and appear before me at 10 a.m.
Okay, then I didn't get the other part of the directions, my Lord.
So can you serve and appear on 12th?
Yes, I could.
let the application be served when the parties consideration on the 4th of April 2018.
Much obliged.
Petition 11/2018.
So appears in this one.
May it please Your Honor. My name is Tembei. I'm holding brief for Mr. Mutuma for the petition.
May it please Your Lordship. My name is Odunga. I will brief for Mr. Kariuki Mwigwa for the first respondent.
Mr.
Kariuki Mwigwa for the first respondent.
Your Lordship, my name is Maro. I will brief for Ms. Irari for the interested party.
For Miss?
Irari.
Yes, what's the position in this one?
Your Lordship, the position is that the first respondent filed an application dated 22nd of March 2018. It went before your brother, Justice Matiang'i in chambers.
Is the application stated when?
22nd of March.
Yes.
It went before your brother, Justice Matiang'i in chambers,
Yes.
who admitted it as urgent in order that we serve the parties and come for further directions today.
Yeah.
What's the position of the other parties? Are they ready for hearing?
Your Lordship, on behalf of the interested party, not being able to put in any response. Ms. Irari is just to get instructions from the Solicitor General. She therefore requests for 21 days in order to put in her response.
Your Honor, for the petitioners, Mr. Mutuma is also yet to put in a response, but there is a pending application that is coming up for directions on 16th of April. So he's praying that both applications can come up on the same date for directions. And before then, they will have put in a
It's
response.
coming up for directions on when?
16 April.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the position in the matter is that while the matter is pending directions, the Nairobi City County has appointed a committee
Yes.
and has also given notice that claims be made within 21 days from the date of the Gazette notice. Those 21 days lapse either tomorrow or on Tuesday. Your Lordship, the mischief in this matter is that we've attempted to serve the committee and the Secretariat with the pleadings, and they are not yet even receiving any documents, making it clear that by the time the period lapses, no document will have been received. Further, we oppose the appointment of the committee as ultra-biased And your brother, after considering those matters, certified those matters urgent and admitted it for hearing on a priority basis. If the matter stays up to 16th of April, then it stands to be rendered nugatory, and whatever we are challenging will be passed by events. We therefore pray for a stay.
Pray for a stay of what?
Of the implementation of the Gazette notice and the appointment. An interim stay as set out in paragraph 20.
So the application is dated when?
Dated 22nd.
2nd of March.
22nd of March.
The members have been appointed.
They've been appointed, Your Lordship. Yes.
So why should I stay their appointments? They've already been appointed.
Your Lordship, we are also praying for the staying of the Gazette notice because the Gazette notice states that the claims must